Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need organizer or co-host privileges to remove someone, so sign in now with the meeting account. Once signed in, open the participant list on the right. This shows everyone in the call and their entry time. Next, find the three-dot menu next to the person's name or tap their tile. That menu exposes moderation options. Do this immediately to avoid disruptions, because only authorized hosts can eject or deny re-entry. If you don't see controls, make sure you're using the account that started the meeting. With the participant list visible, click or tap the person you want to remove. Choose Remove from the menu. If you want to stop them coming back, select the Deny Re-entry option when available. Confirm the dialog. Removal takes effect right away and you'll see the participant leave. If you anticipate needing more moderation, assign co-host rights to a trusted attendee so they can assist. Once done, monitor the list to ensure they stay out and adjust meeting security settings if necessary. After removing someone, tighten safety. Turn off quick access and require host permission for joining so accidental returns are blocked. If the person tries to rejoin, immediately remove them again and consider replacing the meeting link or disabling anonymous joining. If you lose host controls or the removal fails, refresh your browser or app and sign in again with the organizer account. Rejoin and retry. As a last resort, end the meeting and start a new session with updated access controls to ensure unwanted participants cannot return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.